Hey there, welcome to this week's In the Shop with Scott. I successfully destroy a fishnet, glue up a new one, and take a crack at making bandsaw reindeer. So, hope you enjoy. I started by running the long-handled net through the drum sander. As you can see, the blue tape here, this is going to come back to haunt me later. At this point, I thought I could salvage the net, so I worked on tapering and the hoop to the handle for a nice transition. As I was rounding over the hoop, it tore into it, chipped it out, so this destroyed the net. Hey, so in the video you'll notice that the router bit caught this ash right here. This was kind of the second mistake on this net. The first, it's hard to see here, but there's some blue tape. When I clamped the strips onto the handle, some of the tape bunched up and got in there. I thought I could get it out running it through the sander. Turns out it got super thin, so it probably wasn't going to work as a anyways, but I went ahead and wanted just to keep going, and then I had that problem. So this one will be trash, going to the burn pile. We'll start another one right here. I picked up some ambrosia maple at my local woodcraft. I was going to use this. I thought it would add some real character for the handle. And then onto the bandsaw to cut the shape. Using the belt sander, I cleaned up any rough marks left from the bandsaw. The original plan was to use all cherry strips for the hoop, but after breaking 3 of those on the outer strip, it proved that I needed to use ash for both the inner and outer just to keep that from continuing to break on me. After adding glue to the inside of the handle, it's time to clamp that down nice and neat. The last thing I messed around with this week was with making these wooden reindeer that I've seen a few other videos. Thought I'd give a shot first on some leftover 2x4 pine, and I think ultimately I will use some red cedar. But this was kind of a cool little project. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I worked on this week. There will be a full build video, I think, in the future on these reindeer, so make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification for new videos. Thanks.